Hello, this is Dr. Ali Bazazi, medical doctor, fertility consultant, and the CEO of TebmedTourism, an international healthcare facilitator specialized in infertility treatments. We have been operating since 2016 and have successfully granted parenthood to clients from different countries in the world, from America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and Middle East. As Iran's leading medical facilitator in infertility, TebmedTourism has partnered with HTDC and is conducting a webinar on the topics of infertility treatment and regulations in different countries in the world. The webinar will take place on 2nd July between 4 to 6 p.m. Iran time. I invite you to join us for this informative session. Also, as a member of Health Tourism Development Center HTDC, we proudly sponsor upcoming International Private and Public Hospitals Exhibition IPH 2024 in Tehran, Iran, taking place from 7 to 9 August 2024. This is an excellent opportunity to explore the latest brands, marketing, and innovations in the healthcare industry, network with industry's experts, and learn more about the activities we offer. Looking forward to meet you here in Tehran.